Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of edible flowers you can easily grow right on your balcony. A simple window box or a few well-placed pots are all you need to enjoy the bounty of nature. Stick around to discover some of my favorite edible flowers. They're not only a feast for the eyes, but also for your taste buds. So, let's put on our gardening gloves and get started. First on our list of must-have edible flowers is the delightful nasturtium. These vibrant blooms, ranging in hues from fiery orange and crimson to sunny yellows, are as beautiful as they are delicious. Nasturtiums thrive in well-drained soil and prefer a sunny spot on your balcony. You can direct sow the seeds after the last frost or start them indoors a few weeks earlier for a head start. Nasturtiums have a wonderful peppery kick that adds a delightful zing to salads. I love to pair them with fresh greens, goat cheese, and a light vinaigrette. You can also stuff the larger blooms with savory fillings, like herbed goat cheese, for a beautiful and flavorful appetizer. Next up are the charming pansies. With their heart-shaped petals and array of colors, pansies bring a touch of whimsy to any garden. When choosing pansies for your balcony garden, opt for smaller varieties that are better suited for container life. Pansies have a mild, slightly sweet flavor that makes them a versatile addition to both sweet and savory dishes. I love to use them to garnish cakes, cupcakes, and other desserts. They're also lovely scattered over salads or used to brighten up spring rolls and summer appetizers. Let's move on to marigolds, those cheerful blooms that bring a burst of sunshine to any space. But did you know that marigolds are also edible? These vibrant flowers can add a delightful citrusy twist to your culinary creations. Look for varieties like lemon gem or tangerine gem for a burst of citrus flavor. Their petals have a slightly peppery, citrusy flavor that works well in both sweet and savory dishes. Try adding them to salads, soups, or even your next batch of homemade ice cream for a refreshing twist. Violas, with their delicate blooms and sweet, subtle flavor, are a favorite among edible flower enthusiasts. These charming flowers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, adding a touch of elegance and a hint of sweetness to a wide range of dishes. Violas have a mild, slightly sweet flavor that pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes. I love to use them to decorate cakes, cupcakes, and other desserts. You can also use violas to elevate your cocktails by freezing them in ice cubes for a beautiful and refreshing addition to your favorite summer drinks. Calendula, often referred to as poor man's saffron for its vibrant color and ability to impart a golden hue to dishes, is a must-have for any edible flower garden. These cheerful blooms, with their sunny disposition and versatility in the kitchen, are a true delight to grow and use. While their flavor is more subtle than true saffron, calendula petals can be used to add a delicate, slightly peppery and earthy flavor to dishes. They're wonderful in rice dishes, soups, and stews, imparting a beautiful golden color and a subtle, unique flavor. Calendula prefers a sunny spot on your balcony and well-drained soil. Borage, with its star-shaped blue blossoms and refreshing cucumber flavor, is a unique and delightful addition to any edible flower garden. Borage prefers a sunny spot on your balcony and well-drained soil. The flowers have a distinct cucumber-like flavor that makes them a refreshing addition to summer drinks and salads. Try freezing them in ice cubes for a beautiful and flavorful addition to your favorite summer beverages. You can also add them to salads for a refreshing crunch and a hint of cucumber flavor. Lavender, with its intoxicating fragrance and beautiful purple blooms, is a beloved plant for its calming properties and culinary versatility. Growing lavender on your balcony allows you to enjoy its beauty, fragrance, and flavor all season long. Lavender's sweet, floral flavor makes it a wonderful addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Add a sprig of lavender to your next batch of sugar cookies for a delicate floral aroma. You can also use lavender to infuse simple syrups for cocktails, lemonades, or even just a refreshing glass of iced tea. Chamomile, with its delicate white blooms and apple-like flavor, is often associated with its calming properties and use in teas. But did you know that chamomile flowers can also add a subtle sweetness and complexity to a variety of dishes? While chamomile is best known for its use in teas, the flowers can also be used in sweet and savory dishes. Their subtle apple flavor adds a unique twist to desserts, jams, and even savory sauces. Try adding a few chamomile flowers to your next batch of shortbread cookies for a subtle floral sweetness. Hibiscus, with its showy trumpet-shaped blooms, is a tropical delight that can thrive on your balcony, even if you don't live in a tropical climate. These vibrant flowers with their tart, cranberry-like flavor are not just a feast for the eyes. They're also a versatile ingredient for adding a touch of the tropics to your culinary creations. Hibiscus flowers have a tart, cranberry-like flavor that makes them a refreshing addition to teas, cocktails, and other beverages. You can also use hibiscus flowers to make jams, jellies, and other preserves. Their vibrant color and tart flavor add a unique twist to traditional recipes. Last but not least, let's talk about chive blossoms. These vibrant purple pom-poms are not just a beautiful addition to your herb garden. They also pack a subtle onion flavor that can elevate your culinary creations. The blossoms have a milder onion flavor compared to the chives themselves, making them a versatile ingredient for both raw and cooked dishes. Sprinkle the blossoms over salads for a pop of color and a subtle onion flavor. You can also use them to garnish soups, dips, and spreads. And there you have it, folks. 10 beautiful and delicious flowers you can grow right on your balcony. I encourage you to experiment with different varieties and find your favorites. From vibrant nasturtiums to delicate violas and everything in between, these edible flowers will not only beautify your balcony garden, but also add a touch of elegance and a burst of flavor to your culinary creations. So get out there and get your hands dirty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!